Guys. John. Guys, where's Dean? We're not supposed to leave the cave. Where is Dean? Where the heck is Dean? Dean? I'm serious. Where's Dean? Dean! Go find him! Dean! Dean!
He was right next to me. Dean was right here. Dean! Dean!
I'm sure he'll turn up sooner or later, but we should be able to find him. It's a great day out though, great day for squirrel hunting. We should find loads of them.
Jake, what's up?
No luck. Did you guys see him?
No, dude, when did you leave?
What?
When did you leave?
Some real faint signals.
I didn't even see you leave.
I'm getting some real faint signals from him, but I don't.
For Dean?
Yeah.
God,
I mean, he's okay.
Good frequency. What's it sound like though?
He'll be okay, right?
It's at 36 megahertz.
Oh, 36. Dean! There's a shoe! There's a shoe! That's Dean's shoe. That's Dean's shoe. He's here.
Dude,
he's
you got
here.
anything on the
How fresh is the dude? How fresh?
Wait. You have anything on the radar, John?
43.
Where is he?
Pick it up. North or south? North or south, John?
Dean! Dean!
Oh my goodness. Dean! Dean! Dean!
Dean! Dean! Cascandino! Dean! Dean!
Say to you, you guys help me.
Constantino?
You guys help me. Help me set him down.
Cause I'm not sure of anything tonight. And once again I'm driving to your house. Oh, please come out. Let me say just one more thing to you. Come understand my heart.
We just lost Dean, and it hurts a lot to lose a teammate and a friend, someone you care about, but it's something we're all gonna have to deal with in our own way.
Well, I'll pray for you that maybe someday you'll find someone with the will to care for you the way I do. And when that day comes, no, don't be scared, no, don't be shy. You said it yourself, you'll never know unless you try.
Jake's taking Dean's death pretty hard.
But you don't believe in love, you say. But darling, I believe that love will find a way. I'll never ask of you much more than to remember me waiting at the door. Holding back the tears, it was so hard for me to do.
I don't fear anything.
Do you fear death?
No. If I die chasing squirrels, I die.
Forget the way it felt to be most beautiful of friends, just you and me. Hey, stand against that fence and close your eyes. I'm blasted out and I
hasn't been going so well. The weather's got more windy. That can scare off squirrels sometimes. Dean's dead. That sucks. But I don't know. We just figured that it's important to just continue the hunt because that's what Dean would want us to do. So here we go.
Hold on, I got it with the cord! I got it with the cord!
We lost a little bit of ourselves that day. I reckon when Dean died, he took a piece of our minds with him.
You know, the day is kind of coming to the proverbial close, and yeah, we haven't caught a squirrel, and that might seem to reflect something about our character and our skill, but we need you to understand that this movie is not about seeing a squirrel caught. It's about seeing the lifestyle of squirrel hunters. I kind of just to echo what Jake said and some of the other guys, and that's just to follow your dreams and never look back. Follow your dreams, do what you want to do. Don't look back to see what kind of mistakes you might have made.
I know no one got a squirrel today, but that doesn't mean this wasn't a success. The success is that these guys will be back on Monday doing their job, which is murdering these squirrels. It is so important, guys, and we really need more people to participate in this. We need everybody, all of you, out there every day hunting these little creatures, and the reason is very clear as I've tried to make it throughout this whole film. So please take this seriously, it's not a joke. These guys work, and for what? To make your world a better place, and it's time for you to join them. It's time for all of us to do our share. Come this Monday, I'm putting down the camera and picking up a gork. How about you guys? What will your weapon of choice be?